Hi everybody, welcome back to Catherine's Corner. I have a special delivery, plant delivery. It is from Ecuagenera Plants in Florida. I hope you can hear me with the air conditioning running. It has been pretty hot and humid here. These are kind of a couple special treats I treated myself to. Come in quite a big box. I hope the plants are big. You never know with mail order. This came from, I think I told you, Ecuagenera. They're in Florida. They have, you can order in from South America if you want to, but I don't want to pay for the special fees you have to pay if you order in. Well, it's packaged pretty well. I ordered 2 plants. You can see it's packaged pretty good. Let's open the small one first. Cut the tape. See, it's got papers wrapped around it. It's a little plant. This is something I've been wanting for a long time, and I didn't want to pay the full price. This is a Florida Ghost, and it looks like I got a new leaf coming in. And those will come in like a white color, and then they fade down to the greens. And I just love the leaf shape. Oh my. That's taped in there quite well. So I think I'll just kind of tape it off like that for right now. I'm gonna set that baby under there. I can talk to my other philodendron. And we'll open this one here. This is, looks like a much bigger plant they sent me. Oh my. And the one leaf doesn't look real happy there. This is a crawling plant, you can see. That leaf is not a happy camper, but the other leaves look pretty good considering they've been riding around in a UPS truck. This is a philodendron, it should be mammii. Let me see. Yep, mammii and the Florida Ghost. Boy, this is quite a big specimen. I didn't expect this one to be quite so big. Oh my goodness. It's in a clear pot. Look at the roots on that. Oh boy, I'm gonna have to find me a big pot for this crawler. I think I might have one out on the front porch. But I just wanted to share while I was opening. Look at it, it's already got a root coming out of this. I think it did good. They're a pretty reputable place to order from, and they were having a sale, and that's what I did. I ordered from them. I think I'm gonna save this stuffing here because it's pretty clean, and I have some baby plants I'm going to be giving away, and I have little boxes, and I need to have some like cushion in between those boxes. So that I will put there, and this I will get rid of. So just a quick video to show you my new plants, and I might show you a repotting when I get to. If I could ever figure out how to edit properly, I could just edit it all in one video, but since I can't, this is just a short unboxing. Thanks for visiting. Talk to you soon. Bye.